cactus story yesterday, but the cactus story needs a cactus, and the cactus was sort of in the background there, so I'm bringing the old cactus out. When Willy Blizzard did an Ashcroft video, they're the local yokel, they needed cactus, so I believe they got some help from the local yokels, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, they divined a cactus so they could have an Arizona setting. Is that right, Arizona, John? Yeah, Arizona setting. And so they could have an Arizona setting. And we commented when they played the Packing House that cactus would really go well with Desert Daze. And didn't think much about it until months later they came down the driveway and piled out of their old van, and they said, you know, we want to give you the cactus, or Desert Daze the cactus. We just think it belongs here. And I said, my goodness. And they had their picture stapled right to the middle of it and said, you yank that picture right off there if you want. And so that's what I did, because Paulette and myself are keeping the picture. But we are donating the cactus to Desert Daze. While we aren't, they are. So Willy Blizzard, our first official desert cactus, you see that? Daze, prop, if you will, is going to be a part of our festival until we don't have a festival, obviously. So I want to thank Willy Blizzard, not only for being here today and just being wonderful people and playing the Packing House and now our festival, but for the donation of the cactus. And I am so glad that Maya, sort of in the music schedule Wonders of the World, ended up having these guys and Andrea. I know you're not a guy, Andrea, but these two gentlemen and Andrea close our show. I think it's only appropriate. They spent last night at my mother's house. All the gods have brought the pieces of the puzzle together to close up the festivities with the music of Willy Blizzard.
Thank you very much, Steve. And thank you, folks. We are just real pleased to be wrapping this up here today. We've been here since Friday night, about 7 o'clock I think we pulled in, and just enjoyed every hour of it here on a great weekend. This song is a local homegrown tune here. We wrote this up the river at where the Bonaparte flows into the Thompson, up there by Ashcroft. Test. Should I go east or should I go west? Not really knowing where the four winds would blow, I left my home down in Ohio. My country was at war far over the sea. I fled to the border, there were lots more like me. Wherever I ramble, there's part of my soul in the land of my birth, where those long trains still roll. Like a Santa Fe train on a CN line, can't find my way, not for lack of trying. Farther I go, the more I find I'm a Santa Fe train on the CN line. I've worn out my shoes, some of those north of the 49 blues. You ask me of sweethearts, I've had one or two, but that's all in the past. Now there's no one to lose. Now I'm too old to ramble, can't go back home. arms of Big Sam all alone. But if I am blessed, then my spirit will ride on that transcontinental across the great divide. Like the Santa Fe train on a CN line, I can't find my way, but not for lack of trying. The farther I go, the more I climb. I'm a Santa Fe train on a CN line. I'm a Santa Fe train on a CN line. Santa Fe train on that CN line right there.
One that we hear in the middle of the night. It's great. Aaron, could I have a little bit more bass in the monitor, please? Thank you.